Hey everyone, this is Margarita CRUZ-AMARO with her husband, Jesse. Say hi. So, I had asked my husband the next time he's going to be shaving to let me film him because we are going to be filming this Skin So Soft, Fresh and Smooth. I'm going to go ahead and give it to my husband. And basically what we're going to do is he's going to basically put a little bit in his hand. Oh, you know what? We got to open it. Yeah. So put you guys, oh, it's already open? Okay. All right. So put some in your hand. Pour a little bit of this. Because, okay, basically it's supposed to foam up. Because you can see here, it says a cherry blossom scented nourishing shave oil is enriched with the shea butter extract, vitamin A and E, transforms from oil to a creamy lotion when used on wet skin, provides a more comfortable shaving experience that glides on to skin, leaving it feeling smooth and moisturized for in-shower use. Now, honestly, I would be very careful because this is an oil, and if you are going to be using this in the shower, you better not be standing up because we are not going to be responsible for you falling down. So, all right, so pour some, rub it together and put it on your face. Okay, add some more. Get closer.
Wow.
How does it feel?
Está bien resbalosito.
It's nice and smooth?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. You gotta add water to your face, that's why.
You told me wash
water.
my face.
No, right, but add some more water. Okay.
Wow.
Feels better?
Yeah,
it slides? It slides, right?
Yeah. See? Wow.
I'm gonna get you closer, that way they can see. How does it feel? How does it smell?
Oh my gosh. O sea, es sliding easy.
It slides easy?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
¿Se siente chévere en tu cara?
Oh yeah.
Now, this Skin So Soft bottle of oil can also be used for women, you know, for your legs and underarm. And I'm actually liking the way it's leaving your skin. It looks really nice. Yeah, look, yeah.
Oh my God, it's easy, look.
Nice and smooth.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I love it.
Yeah.
Me encanta como te está dejando la cara.
Uh-huh.
I love it the way it's leaving your skin. Very good? Yeah?
Yes. Very nice.
Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Es more easy que con la other one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to basically have all the information that you need for this Fresh and Smooth Moisturizing Shave Gel. And this stuff is really, really awesome, and I love it. And it's even for legs, you know, because it goes on like a lotion. It's not like a foam type thing. But as you can see, it foamed up a little bit and everything else. But it's actually doing good.
Wow, me dejó la cara bien, así bien nice.
Yeah?
Oh yes. Very nice. See?
Very good. Yes.
Yeah, me la dejó bien, así
Bien suavecito?
Yeah, bien suavecita.
So, basically he was saying that it left his skin feeling very soft and silky.
Easy. Yes, very nice.
Okay, good. So, between the stuff you buy at the store, which is over $7, and this, which was less than $7, what do you prefer?
No, yo prefiero eso.
This one?
Oh, yes.
This
O
one.
sea, es mejor que esta.
Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah.
easy.
Yeah, so
Porque yo uso esta, pero con esta se siente y no me deja, ese me deja la piel bien bonita, o sea, bien lisita.
basically he was telling me with the foam, the stuff you get in the can, which is basically, you know, he'll use that or anything else, but then with this one, which is a lot less, this basically is what is the winner. And you get a lot more uses from this than you do on the other can too. So yeah, but even women can use this too on their legs, bikini area, underarms and stuff like that too. So I will put all the instructions, directions, and how to order it, and I'll also have some shipping codes also to get 10% discount if you order over $40. It is free shipping. Make sure you sign up for the free newsletter when you do, because this way.
Se los recomiendo. Se los recomiendo, les queda, pero very, very nice the skin.
You heard it there, guys. So yeah, I will be what do you call it, putting in the shipping codes and everything else for that particular product. This way you can get a 20% discount, or you can get the 10% discount, but be sure you sign up for the newsletter, because you always do get discounts on $20 or $25 or whatever. So be sure to sign up for it. This is Margarita Cruz coming to you from her home office and home. See you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.